Tinubu's government denies responsibility for fuel price increase. In a significant development affecting millions of Nigerians, fuel prices have seen another sharp increase across the country, with Nigerian National Petroleum Company Limited implementing new rates nationwide. In response to mounting public concern, the federal government, through the Minister of Information and National Orientation, Mohammed Idris, has clarified its position. Speaking to Daily Trust, the minister emphasized that these price adjustments are independent decisions made by NNPCL based on market dynamics. Earlier reports from NaijaNews TV confirms that NNPC stations in Abuja have adjusted their prices from 897 naira to 1,030 naira per litre. At the same time, Lagos residents now pay 998 naira, up from the previous 855 naira per litre. The price variations are not uniform across the country. The Northeast, for instance, is experiencing price as high as 1,070 naira per litre, while the Southwest averages 1,025 naira per litre. Citizens in the Southeast and South-South regions face even steeper increases, with prices reaching 1,045 naira per litre and 1,075 naira respectively. The minister highlighted the impact of ongoing global market volatility, particularly the crisis in the Middle East, as a significant factor driving these increases. He further explained that the NNPCL, as a limited liability company, can no longer sustain the financial burden of absorbing market losses. The government maintains that funds saved from subsidy removal are being channeled into critical sectors, including healthcare, education, infrastructure, and security. Compressed natural gas technology investments are also being pursued as an alternative to conventional fuel. Stay informed with new updates on NaijaNews TV as it becomes available.